All right, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo that fits right in with what's going on in the political arena today. So this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and it says "My Guns" on it. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. So here is the Zippo, and it says, "When you come for my guns, better bring yours." So this is on a black matte finish. It's a brass Zippo that's been laser etched into that pattern right there. And you can see really good stamping on this, F of 20. So I think that's July of this year this was made. Now this one originally came with the steel insert, the steel colored insert, and I just put in a brass colored steel insert. It's still steel, it's just colored brass, some kind of heat treatment. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this little Zippo. Alright, drop test passed nicely. So that is the "When you come for my guns, better bring yours." And that I will give a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.